Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem stock buy and sell multiple transaction allowed. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says the cost of stock on each day is given in an array price. Each day you may decide to either buy or sell the stock at price I. You can even buy and sell the stock on the same day. Find the maximum profit you can get. So for instance, if this is the price array which is given to us, the maximum profit can be obtained by selling the stock for rupees 310 and buying it for 100. Similarly, for selling the stock for 695, buying it for 40. So the net profit which we will obtain is 210 plus 655, which is 865, and that is what we need to return. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution of this problem. So the general idea behind solving this problem is, in order to maximize the profit, all we have to do is we have to buy the stock when the price is minimum and sell it when the price is maximum. So for instance, if this is the price of the stock which is given to us, in order to maximize our profit, let us buy the stock when it is at minimum price. So from this pool, if you see, the minimum price will be given by this. So we are going to buy the stock over here and we are going to sell it at this position. So the profit which we will obtain over here is 310 minus 100, which is equals to 210. Similarly, the next time we can buy the stock at this position, which is the minimum, and we can sell the stock when the price is maximum, which is this position. So again, the profit which we will made in this case will be given by 695 minus 40, which is equals to 655. Hence, the cumulative profit we will make is 655 plus 210, which is equals to 865. So in order to solve this problem, all we have to do is we have to find the local maxima and minima, which simply means we have to find the minimum and maximum price of the stock locally. And this local minima and maxima is going to give us a profit, and we are going to accumulate all the profit which we can occur with this local maxima and minimum, and we will be able to get our total profit. So folks, this is one way of solving this problem. A further optimization on the same solution is also possible. In this optimization, all we have to do is we have to sell the stock as soon as we realize that we are making a profit. With this optimization, we don't really have to find the local maxima or minima. We just have to check whether we are in a position where we will make the profit, and at that point we are going to compute the profit. So let us take the same example to understand this. So let us say this is the price of the stocks which is given to us. Over here, when we are at this position, we realize that we are going to make a profit, which can be made by selling the stock at 180 and buying it at 100. So the profit which we will make over here is, let's call this profit as P1, will be given by 180 minus 100, which is equals to 80. Similarly, when we are at this position, we realize that we are going to make a profit by buying, and the profit we will be able to make is by buying the stock at 180 and selling it at 260. So the profit which we will make is 260 minus 180, which is equals to 80. Similarly, we will make another profit if we sell the stock at 310 and bought it at 260. So the profit which we'll make over here is 50. Moving forward, when we are at this position, we are not making any profit because before to this the price of a stock is 310 and the current price of a stock is 40. So we are not making any profit. But when we are at this position, we are making a profit, and the profit will be given by 535 minus 40, which is equals to 495. Similarly, we are making a profit when we are at this position. So 695 minus 535, which is equals to 160. And if we look at our previous solution, the two profits which we were making is 210 and 655. The same profit which we are making over here. So the 210 is essentially this, If you add these numbers 80, 80 and 50, we will get 210, which is essentially buying the stock at 100 and selling it at 310. The same impact we are able to obtain in this fashion as well. Similarly, if we add these two numbers, the profit which we are making over here is 655, which is the same as buying a stock at 40 and selling it at 695. Hence, the total profit which we'll make is 865. And the way we will be able to come to 865 either by following this method or by following the previous method. So for the sake of simplicity, what we are going to do is we are going to follow this process, which is we will be selling the stock as soon as we realize that we are making a profit. So that's the discussion of solution, folks. Now let us discuss the pseudocode of this problem. So let us say maximum profit is what we want to compute and the list of prices of stock is given to us. So for this, let's have answer equals to 0 and then let us iterate on the prices of the array. So for I in a range of 1 to len of prices. And the reason why we are iterating from 1 is because we want to compare prices I with prices I minus 1. So if prices I is greater than prices I minus 1, which simply means we are in a position where we'll make profit, then in such cases, we will update our answer by the profit we are going to make. So prices I minus prices I minus 1. And towards the end, we just have to return answer. So that's the pseudocode, folks. Now let us see how we have implemented this in Python and C++. So first, let us look at the Python implementation. Over here, answer equals to 0 and then we are iterating on the prices. If we are in a position where we'll be able to make profit, we are adding that profit to our total profit and towards the end, we are returning that total profit. So that's the Python implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our Python solution got accepted. Now let us look at the C++ implementation. So the C++ implementation is also the same, folks. Answer equals to 0. Then we are iterating on prices. If we are in a position where we'll be able to make profit, we are adding that profit to our total profit. And towards the end, we are returning total profit. So that's the C++ implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our C++ implementation also got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.